Do you need some help? Yes, my name is Jason Metzler. I need to see Mr. Hayes. The sign later can also be used to mean for a little while or in a little while. Here are the signs left and recently, meaning recently left. By changing the facial expression, the meaning becomes just left. Just left. Fine. Wait a little while. Mr. Hayes just left. A minute. A minute. It was an important meeting at the last minute. In the part of the dialogue that follows, Janine will say, "If there are any questions, ask me." The crucial part of this statement is the facial expression. Notice the facial expression she uses when she says, "If there are any questions." If there are any questions. If there are any questions, ask me. When is Mr. Hayes coming? Oh, about 30 minutes. To write something down or take a note. To write something down or take a note. I can't wait. I don't want to miss the bus. Can I write down a message? And that was fingerspelled. Sure, that's fine. Do you want to make another appointment? Yes, that's a good idea. The signs available when are translated as what times are available. July 25th at 3:30, okay? To interpret. To interpret. Workshop. Workshop. No, I can't. I have an interpreter workshop. Do you have another day? Is July 26th at 9 okay? Here is a sign meaning lucky. Lucky. Here is another form of the sign lucky. Lucky. Vacation. Vacation. This sign can also mean time off from work. You can follow this sign with finger spelled OFF, and then there is no question that it means time off from work. Time off from work. That's fine. It's lucky that I'm off work at that time. I'm sorry. Before you said you had a message. The initials CF stand for Caption Films, or sometimes Captions in general. Caption Films. There is a sign for Captions in general. Captions. If you make a mistake while fingerspelling, you don't need to sign anything except to spell the word over again. A mistake was made in spelling information. You simply start again and spell the entire word. Yes, I want a list of information about captions on TV. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I have it. I'll give it to you. Wait a minute. Fine, thank you. Then she points at something and says, "Where's this from?" To plan or a plan. Plan. Gallaudet. That is, it's from Gallaudet. I'm curious, what is your plan, or what do you plan to do? Support. Support. I support captioning. I want the use of captions to succeed. It's true, we need it. Against. Against. You can use two F hand shapes to show eyes glancing to the side. Or you can show the eyes glancing down. You can show glancing down repeatedly. Many are against captions on TV. They say it bothers them to keep glancing down at the captions and to read them. Notice the sign read was made from left to right rather than up and down to mean read the captions. The letters C-O and the arm movement that accompanies the signing of those two letters stands for company. Company. But now there is a company that will make a special box. If you want to see the captions, this is a conditional clause because of the facial expression. If you want to see the captions, you must have that box. If there is no box, again facial expression makes this conditional. If there is no box, you can't see the captions. That's groovy. Anyway, thank you. I'll see you on July 25th at 3:30, right? That's right. Have a nice day. You too. Later. Minute. Write down a note. Interpret. Workshop. Lucky. Lucky. Vacation. Time off work. Caption films. Captions. Wait a minute. Plan. Support. Against. To look down a couple of times. Company.